Hello everyone, and welcome back. I got my package with all my parts for my 6.6 or my 12-pound tumbler and for the little 3-pound tumbler. In a little bit, we're going to put this together and see if it works. Alright, well let's see what we got here. This is most of the stuff to fix the little 3-pound tumbler. Looks like it also has the belt for the bigger tumbler. I got a couple pounds here of, I think this was like a beginner's mix rocks. And the reason why I got these is because I have a lot of bigger rocks, but I didn't have a lot of smaller ones, and this will have little pieces. So if I put this in, it'll add to my volume, give me some nice polished rocks, and then hopefully I won't have to add these little ceramic pellets that you add in there if you don't have any material like this. So anyway, I just got everything so I can do whatever I want. In this box here now, I see they send out instructions, and then all my different, this is step 2, so this is a little bit finer of a grit than step 1 is. That's my step 1, so that'll be coarser. My step 3, which a lot of times is the final step, but then I also got 2.5 pounds of the step 4, which is a real fine polish. You'll get it really, really shiny. And here now I've got the new drive axle, and this is the idler axle or idler shaft, and that's for the bigger tumbler. Okay, let's see if we can't get this one put together and working again. Okay, for my little 3-pounder here, I did get the new idler shaft, which I was missing. I did not get new bearings for this one. And what I'm going to do is try it. I did get a new drive shaft for it, but I'm going to see if this one works fine still. I'm not going to replace it yet. But I do think I'm going to go ahead and put on a new belt. It spins real slow like that, but if I put a little weight on it, I'm going to go put some water in this so it has rocks in it and see how that works. Okay, now this would even be heavier because it would have water and rock in it. But there we go, that's more like it. This one is missing 3 of its little rubber feet on the bottom. So I bought some more. You know, it's going to drive me crazy. I'm going to just go ahead and replace that other shaft so everything is brand new in there. Yeah, that one it does. It seems to be working good. So I'm not saying it's 100%, but I bet you she's about 80% of what it once was. It seems a little louder. Maybe I just don't remember. It's been many years. So now that that one is working, let's go through this one. This is the main one I use anyway, so I'm hoping that this one will work really good. Look at the difference in those two, huh? This one is all indented down in, and this one's nice. for this one I bought new bearings. For this one I'm going to actually put some grease on there. And I bought some brand new clips for these. That's more like it. Okay everyone, well it looks like we have two rock tumblers that are working good. This one is working really good, so, and this, like I said, the main one that I use is this one. But it's always nice if you just have a small batch of rocks and you want to put them in, this little 3-pounder. I think it does a better job. I don't know if it's because of the small volume that's in there or whatever, but you get some nice shiny rocks out of this one. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. We are ready to polish some rocks. We'll see you guys on the next video.